Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zakia Atika Larsati from Kudus. Currently, I am a student at University of Kudus. I'm here to present about the journal article review is beyond budgeting and rolling forecast to improve management in the public schools. Neri Rosmizis, AKQ, Lawrence Apokyo, Alamat Henry Benedict, Pinelli Rosmezia, AKQ, Lawrence Apokyo, Alamat Henry Benedict, Cape Peninsula University of Technology, South Africa, International Journal of Economic Business and Accounting Research, IJEBAR, peer-reviewed international journal, Vol 7, Issue 4, 2023. LIEBAR. I divided my presentation into 5 main points, mainly 1 introduction, 2 literature review, 3 mentors, 4 result and discussion, 5 closing. Now let's move on to the first part of my text, which is about introduction. The importance of public school for social development and economic growth is highlighted, emphasizing the cost-effectiveness of investing in education. However, achieving a high-quality education system requires sound financial management. Often lacking in many public schools, financial mismanagement, incompetence, and limited accountability are definite challenges. The principle of beyond budgeting, dividing into leadership and management processes are discussed, emphasizing their potential to improve organizational flexibility. Next, the use of rolling forecasts in school districts, considering demographic factors, is suggested for better budgeting, forecasting, and strategic planning to enhance overall education quality. The paper aims to improve the relationship between beyond budgeting, rolling forecast, and management improvement in public school, an area with limited resources compared to other organizations. So now we come to the text points, namely literature review. The text discusses the areas such as allocation of resources and system theory, introduces as conceptual model and outlines hypotheses related to beyond budgeting, rolling forecasts, and their impacts on the management of public schools. The allocation of resources theory focuses on leveraging assets for competitive advantage, while the system theory views schools as interconnected elements require adaptability. The conceptual model illustration connection between beyond budgeting, rolling forecasts, and school management improvement. Additionally, it explores the relationship between rolling forecast and management improvement, as well as beyond budgeting and management improvement, posing positive and significant association. So now we come to the next points, namely mentors. The target population comprises principal school governing body members and heads of department at both primary and secondary public schools in the Cape Metropole. The same-sex calculator using a Rorschach calculator with a 55% confidence level and a 5% margin of error, in which a minimum sample size of 103 is required. The same size was included to account for unavoidable first size incomplete filing in of questionnaires and some respondents' inability to return questionnaires. Diwali 2018. Thus, 140 questionnaires were discharged. So now we come to the next point, namely result. They provided that discusses the validity and reliability of the circular model analysis using SMART PLS version 3.3.3. It includes information about count, batch, alpha values, aversion, variances, extracted AVE, composite reliability ratings, and part count visas. The model efficiency is measured by the standardized mean scored residual SRMR, and the analysis indicates average validity of constructs with an SRMR value of 0.057. The three variables in the model demonstrate ethical prediction. So now we come to the text points, namely discussion. The study evaluated hypotheses to the examination of part count versus value and tree values dividend from a bootstrapping produced for the structural model. Tree values were used to assess the strength of association between model variables. While a tree value is greater than 1.96 at a 5% signification level, indicating a statistically significant correlation. Results are presented in Figure 2 and Table 3, showcasing standardized part coefficients and corresponding tree values. Next, the study's results confirm a positive and statistically significant relationship between rolling forecast and Bayes budgeting, supporting the primary hypothesis. The analysis presented in Figure 2 and Table 3 indicates a nexus between the two variables, and the study fails to dismiss hypothesis 1. The findings aligns with empirical evidence from previous students' hypothesis 2, which explores the relationship between rolling forecast and improvement in the management of public schools. Is supported by the analysis. The findings depicted in Figure 2 and Table 3 reveal and statistically significant positive relationship. P is less than 0.0026, P is reduced 0.264, T equals 2.233 between rolling forecast and improvement in schools management. This aligns with previous research by Liang and Ordasi 2013, confirming a positive correlation between rolling forecast and managerial improvement. Next, hypothesis 3. Asserting a positive relation between Bayes budgeting and improvement in the management of public schools is supported by the examination. Figure 2 and Table 3 display a statistically significant positive relationship. P is less than 0.000, P is reduced 0.573, 4.975, indicating the higher levels of Bayes budgeting corresponds to increases improvement in school management. This finding aligns with prior studies and affirms substantial connection between beyond budgeting and cash management in public schools. So now we come to the next point, namely conclusion. The paper proposes the relationship between beyond budgeting, rolling forecast, and improvement of public schools by using SMART PLS and SPSS as a tool of analysis. A hypothesis was developed to show that beyond budgeting and rolling forecasts have directly included the improvement of management in public schools. The findings indicated that there is a significant and positive relationship between beyond budgeting, rolling forecasts, and improvement of public school. Furthermore, the paper made a theory-based model that would guide further research for improvement in the management of public schools. For instance, principals can derive some insights from this study to improve the management of their schools. Next, on processes at schools have been streamlined to support effective and efficient financial management and good governance. Schools should enjoy educational research and thereby improve the quality of the education that they offer. It is imperative that more training is conducted on the use of all statistical tools to avoid financial mismanagement, as the economic relies heavily on the development of public schools. According to human capital theory, scientists are critical about the generation of economic value. Yet to fulfill this function, they need to be decently educated at fully functional schools. Thank you so much for your interest and attention.